Start.
2.
Start it.
You put the 12. You put the 2.
What is it?
12.
Okay. 9 plus 3 equals 12.
You put only the 2.
The 2, then carry 1. Carry 1. Oh, what is it now? 1
Equal
plus 1 equals?
2.
So the answer is?
2.
Okay.
Correct.
Next one. That's also tens, huh?
Me?
Yes. 4 plus 6 equals?
9. 9.
No?
Ay,
Tens?
10.
10. Put the 0.
0.
Carry 1. The 10.
Put 1.
Yes, carry 1.
That means 5.
5.
50.
2 plus 2. 4 plus 1, 5.
Ito. 5
It's
plus
also
5.
tens.
10.
10. Just
Put
like
the 0.
so carry
And
1.
Equals
1 plus 2.
3.
No, plus 1 pa. May carry 1.
I win. I forgot. I didn't see the word.
Don't
4.
forget the carry 1. Okay,
40.
correct. 40. And then,
Ito once to.
yes, just once.
Ito 5 to.
5. And then,
Ito
1 plus 1.
Carry 1.
Yes, no more na. Hindi naman namabot ng 10. Once lang. Okay, 25. 11 plus 8.
Lagay 1.
No, it's just 1.
I forgot.
8 plus 1.
9.
1. Then carry. 1 plus 0 was 1.
You just put down.
Yes, bring it down.
If once you just put down.
Yes, bring it down. It's not
Once
put down. Yes, it's all ones. 45 plus 21.
No 1.
5 plus 1 equals 6.
That means
4 plus 2 equals?
another 6.
Yes, it's 66. It's all hard question.
Nice not.
Yes. And that one is also ones.
Okay, and this?
Tens.
Okay.
May
Only the
carry
4?
1. Yes. 2 plus 92 plus, what's that? You read it first.
92 plus 20.
22. Okay. Proceed. 2 plus 2. 4.
Wait.
9 plus 2 equals
11.
11. It's a tens. How many? The answer? 100.
Another.
11, yes. You put
2, 1.
yes. Because 9 plus 2 is 11. So you put 11. No? The answer is 114.
4. Huh?
114.
14.
You see? You see it properly. Okay.
Okay, 1.
This one is tens, huh?
That's okay.
May carry 1 yan. 8 plus 5.
8, 6, 13.
Okay.
Put the 3.
Put the 3. Carry 1.
9.
9. Okay. The answer is
93.
93.
93.
93. It's also a tens. 72. Read first the
72 plus 18.
18. Okay. Proceed for the solution. 8 plus 2. 0. Carry 1. 7 plus 1. 8 plus 1. 9. The answer is 90. It's also a tens. 6 plus 5.
11.
11.
1. 2, 1.
Yes. Carry 1.
Into
Yes.
6.
6.
600.
No, not 2, 1. Just 1. Di ba carry 1 na doon? 11. Just leave the 1. The other 1 is here.
Oh.
You forgot the tens. Carry 1. It's 61.
That 21 plus...
25.
25 plus 16.
6. Oh, is it? 16. 6 plus 5. Just the same. 11. Carry 1. The answer
51.
is... No! Plus 1. Carry 1, oh. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. You forgot? Carry 1. Don't forget the carry 1.
Yes.
Again. What's that? Read first the 22 plus 8. Carry 1. 2 plus 1 was 3. It's 30.